Before you watch this video, please make sure to go to my channel and click on playlists. Then from the playlists, select Forex Scalping Strategies. Click on the Scalping Strategies and then you will find here one video called the Best Forex Scalping Strategy explained in details along with Forex price action. Please watch these two videos in order to understand the strategy that you are about to watch in this live trading video. Hello and welcome on this new live trading video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So guys, before we start, of course, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and of course share the video. And before that, I really wanted to ask your opinion, guys, about something which is really the very low view rates for the live trading videos. I mean, recently the live trading videos are barely getting even 800 views, which is way too low. And I would like to know, what do you think is the reason here? The analysis or the signal videos are getting higher views, maybe like 2,000 or 3,000 views in best scenarios, but the live trading sessions are getting usually less than 800 views, which is really low. So I would like you guys to share with me your opinion. What do you think is the reason? How can we improve it? What is the way that we can actually increase the view rates? Because actually it really feels bad here for me, because I'm risking my own money here and trading on the live account and barely with any views. And just for your records, guys, recording while you are trading on the live account is actually adding a lot of pressure to the trader, and hence making these videos is just really so much painful for me, and it's not easy as you think it is. And I'm really risking a lot of money here. So therefore, I really would appreciate, guys, your opinion, to just share with me what do you think I can do to improve the view rates for the live trading videos. Anyway, today is actually, now it's actually 6:12 a.m. here in Dubai, and I just actually woke up like 3 hours ago. Yes, that's the time I wake up. I usually wake up between 3 or 4 a.m. To do some market analysis and to be sure that I'm not wasting any opportunity in the market. And that's the reason, of course, we have to be aware that if you want to be a successful trader, you should never sleep 8 hours a day, to be honest with you guys. Anyway, I'm trying to find any decent setup right now. To be honest with you guys, I just checked the market, and so far, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, there is a lot of opportunities right now. AUDUSD is actually showing me something interesting, but I just don't feel right about it. CAD-CHF, however, showing us a triangle pattern, which has been almost completed, as we can see right here. Now, let me just tell you something, guys. What I'm going to do... One second, guys, one second. And I'm back. All right, so of course, what we're going to do right now is actually trade using the sniper strategy. That's a strategy, of course, I have offered on my channel last week. And I think, of course, the view rates for that video is way too low, man. It's just below 1,200 views. And that is, of course, offering a new strategy, which is really a shock for me. I was actually expecting more views on that video. And of course, I shared a very, very powerful strategy, which will, of course, improve your trading experience. But unfortunately, the view rates are way too low. Anyway, let me just tell you something here. For the CAD-CHF, my friends, we're having here that triangle. And as you can see, the market has actually been respecting that level of a resistance trend line, combined, of course, with that support trend line right here. We have actually ended up with the triangle pattern. And if we look, of course, on the left side, we can see clearly that the market has formed here as well a very strong key resistance level, which was in the past, of course, a support, but for only one single attempt. This was only one single attempt of the resistance. And instantly, the market has made the bearish break out from it. And again, the same level of a real resistance has been respected again. So therefore, after the appearance of the triangle right here, I think it's really a trustworthy signal that we can start shorting the CAD-CHF exactly from this point at the exact same level of the previous resistance when the market rises again to retest the broken level of that triangle. And of course, what I personally refer to as a channel, and most likely is going to be a good entry. However, we have to wait for the market to rise for about 1.6 pips only, which is really low. We can actually aim about 17 pips off profit. Meanwhile, the stop losses can be actually about 10 pips only. Now, let me just tell you something. Most likely, guys, if we look at the left side right now, we can see that this was, of course, the peak of the resistance exactly as 0.68967, which seems like actually a valid point to start shorting the CAD CHF. If I'm not mistaken, and hopefully I'm not, this is the right way, just like that. Perfect. This is so much accurate. And right here we can see the broken level. This is the support trend line. This is of course the broken level of the support trend line. This was the bearish breakout, and right now the candle is rising all the way to retest that level. I think it's gonna be safe to start shorting just right now. I think the market is just like less than a pip far away from the entry. Absolutely nothing wrong with that. We can surely place the sell order, right? I'm waiting to see any sign of bearish movement. The candle is still rising. I just want to see any kind of pressure on this candle. Sorry guys, I'm just really waiting for the... Okay, now, place the sell order just to make sure that the candle indeed is reversing. We are risking about $115 on this trade, hoping to aim approximately 130. Now, of course, I have to explain to you the reason for placing the stop loss and take profit. Now, since we're actually relying on that triangle right here, the stop loss has been placed right there because if the market is going to be able to reach that point, then that means that this resistance trend line is no more being respected, and most likely the market will continue rising till it reaches that level of the resistance right there. So that's the reason I had to place the stop loss exactly right here. And for the take profit level, it has been placed, of course, right on the nearest support to my entry. That is what I'm explaining in the 20 pips a day strategy. Anyway, guys, let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what is going to happen with this trade. Alright my friends, so this trade has been running for so long and we're earning just little from it, and actually I'm getting tired of it. I don't feel safe with it anymore. $71.61, that's totally fine. $70, let's close it and end it in profit. Good, finally this trade has been over and we close it in profit. Guys, I started recording at 6:10 a.m. now it's 7:40 a.m. So as you can see, the market right now is really slow, but I will do my best to continue trading with you the whole day. So anyway guys, I will need now to pause the recording, and then I will come back to you later once the market moves faster and once we get another setup. And we are still with the CAD CHF, and another opportunity has approached, and I placed the sell order. First thing place, of course, the stop losses to be just right there, $112, fantastic, and the take profit level at that support exactly $118, 7 pips. Okay, so again my friends, we are still with the CAD CHF, and this setup right now happened now 12:18 p.m. Actually, to be honest with you, I was outside the house, I just came back home and I found this setup and I couldn't just ignore it. Now it's just the same. I mean, that support trend line, my friends, is still being respected, and that level of a downtrend still being respected also, as we can see. Check this out. So right here we had the real level of 1 second. Why the 1 second, guys? This is not working. This one, what's wrong? Wow. 1 second, guys, I'll be back to you. All right, this one not working, so let me just replace it like that. All right, so now we can see clearly that that level of a previous support trend line has actually been respected here for once, and right now actually this entire structure here was actually a bearish breakout from that level of a support trend line. Now the market is actually on the retest of the broken level of a support trend line, and also on the left side we're having here a strong key resistance level, which was in the past of course a key support also. So that is the sniper strategy rules have been completed, and therefore we can actually place here the sell order. I think it's going to be a very profitable trade, and of course the take profit level has been placed just right here at even before the nearest support to my entry, and the stop loss, my friends, has been placed above that level of a key resistance, since I'm fully relying on it, along of course with that retesting of the support trend line. So the trade seems running good, and we can actually expect $118 from it. Let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Alright guys, so this trade actually not going well. Actually it's very little profit, but it actually took a lot of time, and right now we're having here that level of a previous resistance, and seems like the candle has already reversed from that level. Actually it was about $60 of profit, which was not really also worth to close it on. However, it has reversed, and I think now it's time to close this trade now. Break even just $5 and get done with it. However, of course it's annoying waiting all this time for nothing, and now it's falling back. I don't even want to look at it anymore. So guys, I'm going now to pause the recording, and I'll be back to you once I find the next trade. And we are back, my friends, with another setup, and this time I'm going to place the buy order for the USDCAD, but let's reduce the lot size. 1.5 is maybe a little bit a lot here, and I think it's time now to open the trade. I think, yes, my friends, let's open the trade right now. Fantastic. Excellent. And again, my friends, just pay attention to the spread, of course, because I'm using IC markets. IC markets, my friends, is providing me with these very tight spreads, and that's really what you want as a scalper. You really want to find a forex broker like IC markets. Is, in my opinion, the best forex broker in the world. Now, let me just explain to you what just happened here. So, of course, as you can see, I'm using now the sniper strategy. And if you guys remember, I said in the sniper strategy that all we need to find is a triangle like this one. So this triangle has just been broken out from, yes, look at that, the candle is reversing. So as you can see, my friends, this triangle right here, the market has actually made this triangle, and then the market has finally made here the bullish breakout from that level of a trend line here, resistance trend line. Now on the left side, we can see clearly, let me just zoom in to show it to you. Now, as we see on the left side, we're having here number 1 and number 2 strong key support levels. So the two rules now are completed. First of all, the resistance trend line has been broken out from. And second of all, we have on the left side a strong support level, which we can of course rely on that this support is actually going to be respected right here. Now, there is of course another way to confirm this entry. Actually, I just spotted now, if I'm not mistaken, I think I'm not. Right there, if we draw here a support trend line, oh wow guys, this is really perfect. I mean, I just really enjoy forex, and this is just amazing. As you can see, my friends, also we are having here that support trend line, which has been respected repeatedly, and then we had here the fake breakout number 1, fake breakout number 2, another fake breakout, and again that support trend line has now been respected once again. That's actually a perfect harmony. And most likely the market right now is rising, as you can see, is giving us a good profit. Now we can keep the trade running to make about 13 pips, I think, about 12.7 pips, which will bring us about $114 of profit. Fantastic. So let me now, please, my friends, pause the recording, and I'll be back to you once this trade is over. And thankfully this trade is running well in profit. We are riding right now in about $81 of profit, which is really fine and fantastic for this trade. A quick scalping of about 10 pips, my friends. 86, 85, 81, that's fine, and close it. $80 of profit has been secured. Fantastic, and the day is still going well. The account now finally is above $3,200. That is the sniper strategy, everyone. It's really offered there on my channel for free. Trust me, guys, this is one of the best forex strategies that you will ever find, and in my opinion, the only strategy that you will need. You just need some time to master this strategy to be able to find these awesome setups. I'm so happy. I'm just so happy. And right now, my friends, it's actually 4:18 p.m. Dubai time, and as you can see, so far, I just opened, I think, 3 trades maybe. So yeah, today I'm not active so much. I'm not that much of actually today into trading. I'm doing a lot of things now at the house, and I'm doing the best I can to find some time to do these trading videos, and of course to make some decent income. Anyway, so far the market doesn't seem offering like much setups here. I'm trying to go through the pairs. So far I cannot find any sure shot. Anyway, guys, let me please now pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later once I find the next trade. Okay, my friends, we're having here a very interesting setup for the pound NZD. As you can see right here, we're having that level of a real resistance, which was of course previously a real level of a support. However, the market has formed here a fake breakout number 1 with actually a long a long wick at the top of it, which means that the market actually facing that level of a resistance trend line and seems like it's actually respecting it. And now after just 10 seconds, this candle is gonna close like this, and the sell order has to be opened right now. Fantastic. Fantastic. Yes. Okay, perfect. $150 to risk, and of course the take profit level is gonna be right here at the nearest support. So again, what I was saying, my friends, actually is We are having here that level of a real resistance trend line, which has been respected repeatedly. And lately, right now, 1 second, guys, I need to remove the speakers. I cannot really speak freely when I have the speakers on. I don't know why. Anyway, now we're having here this long wick at the top of the candle. As you can see now, it's not a pin bar, it's a pin bar. It's a pin bar, yes. It's a pin bar, which has actually finished like that. And as you can see, my friends, also, that level of a real resistance most likely is going to be respected right here after retesting the same level and after the creation of a fake breakout. Eventually, what we are having right here is semi head and shoulders pattern. So most likely right now, the market is going to continue the fall instantly, hopefully. There is, of course, a chance for the candle to continue rising for a little bit more, just to reach that level of a resistance trend line, and after that is going to continue the fall. I think this is a very excellent setup and trusted one. We have to be careful, I think, guys. After just like 45 minutes, we're having the core PPI news on the USD pairs. And if this trade is not over before that time, I'm going to close it no matter what are the results. Anyway, I think it's gonna be in profit very soon, and I think we will close the video before even it completes 20 minutes. Anyway, let me know, please, my friends. Pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you once I am done with this trade. And as I told you, my friends, the trade is running in about $100 of profit. It was really an obvious and simple trade, running in about 17 pips of profit, $94, $95, and closed it. Fantastic. Fantastic. We have closed this trade, securing $95. Right now, the market, my friends, is actually ranging at that level of a previous support right here. So there is a chance for the market to make now a bullish reversal. That's the reason I decided to close it right now. Of course, add to that actually $100 is just what I'm seeking from each scalping trade. So I think the news is going to be out after like 30 minutes. And tonight I'm not gonna be able to trade, so I think maybe I will be able to open one trade, maybe maximum, but that's about it. I think we have made about $300 in this live trading video. That was really great, and I think $300 is enough for today anyway. But still, I will see if I will make another trade. I will come back to you. If not, I will just close this video. I think it's better to close the video right now. We need also to prepare for the Friday analysis video to recover the losses caused by these signals, which I'm really sorry about. I really feel bad about sending these signals. They didn't work so well, and I'm totally aware about that. But again, guys, we cannot predict the market correctly every single time. Yeah, I admit I made maybe mistakes in reading the market. But anyway, I will do the best I can in the next Friday analysis video and the next weekly analysis one. So until then, I hope that is informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.